Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So today we have one interesting question which reads to say define an operation star on real numbers by a star b to be equal to a minus b plus 2ab. So the first question is telling us, is the operation star commutative? So for you to be able to define that star is commutative, remember under commutativity, a star b is equal to b star a, where you know for sure that a star b has already been given there. So we know for sure that a star b is basically a minus b plus 2ab. So this is a star b. So now for you to find b star a, meaning remember b has come first and a second, which means anywhere in this expression where there was a, you will put b, and where there was b, you will put a. Do not by any chance move a number or a sign. You are only allowed to shift the variables. So b star a will be equal to b minus a plus 2ba. Then from here now you will basically ask yourself a question, is this expression equal to that? No, because negative a, so because a has changed from positive to negative and b from negative to positive. So a star b is not equal to b star a. Hence, it is not commutative. It is not commutative. So this is how you basically prove the commutativity aspect of a binary operation. So from here, you now go by solving the associativity aspect. Remember associativity, a star b star c should basically be equal to a star b star c. So for you now to be able to solve this operation, what we do, remember a star b has already been defined for you, but for you now to be able to introduce c, this is where the real challenge comes in. So one thing you do, assume that a star b is one letter and that letter is a, and assume that this C is basically B. So we have assumed that this letter is basically A and this letter is basically B. But you know that in the actual sense you are dealing with C. I want to explain a point here so that you are not always lost. Remember, A star B was already defined for you to be A minus B plus 2AB. This is your A star B. So this expression has become 1 like A. Kindly get something here. So this expression here has become 1 like A. So you will say that this now star C. So this A star B in this natural sense is that, where we have just collected it and brought it there. Then for you now to introduce C, we have said that assume that this whole expression is what? A. Meaning where there is A in this expression, you will put the whole lot of this. And where there is B in this expression, you put what? C. So remember A is now this. So we put that to there. So it will become A minus B plus 2AB minus, so this B has become C, plus 2, where this A has become A minus B plus 2AB, and the C, and this B has become C. So this is the expression that is there. So here we have A minus B plus 2AB minus C. Here when you multiply it, you have 2AC. This times there you have negative 2BC. This times here you have plus 4ABC. So this is the expression that you have to be your A star B star C. So now let's go to this other expression. So this other expression, remember you're starting with what is in the brackets. So meaning where there is B in this, where there is A here, Where there is A here, you will put what? B. And where there is B, you put what? C. So let us replace together. So if we put A here, meaning, sorry, if on A we put B, meaning this A will automatically change to B. And if we put C here, meaning this B will automatically change to C plus 2BC. So this is what is B star C. Then now they have told you to say you should introduce A star to this combination here. So immediately you introduce star. You introduce A, sorry. So it will become A star B star C. Meaning your A still remains as A. Then this is becoming B. But though this is becoming B, meaning this is what has become B in this case. So meaning you will have... where there is A, you put A and is still A, minus where there is B, you put the whole lot of this expression, which is B. Remember now that you are replacing where there is a negative. So we would do mind to put brackets because a negative sign influences the state of any other sign. So minus C plus 2BC. Then we have plus 2, where we know for sure that A still remains as A. But where there is B, we will basically put B minus C plus 2BC. We have 2BC here. Then from here we will have A, this times that is negative B, plus C minus 2BC. This times that will basically have 2AB minus 2AC plus 4ABC. So this is the expression that we have here. Then from here now you need to check these two if they are the same. So look, we have 4ABC. So we can just tick out. So we have 2AC, negative 2AC, and the question has failed us on these two expressions. So we know for sure that therefore A star B star C is not associative with A star B star C. So this is how basically you solve such kind of expressions under binary operation. So the last question that we have been given is for you to be able to solve 5 star 4 star 3. So this is just where you are told to evaluate a binary operation. So for you to be able to evaluate a binary operation, we need to understand one general aspect. Remember, A star B is equal to A minus B plus 2AB. So that is the general formula which we have. So we first plug in 4 star 3. So 4 star 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 plus 2, 4 times 3, where you have 4 minus 3, which is basically 1, plus 4 times 3, which is 12, times 2, which is basically 24, giving you 25. Then from here now, we will introduce the 5. So remember the 5 comes first, so you have 5 star 25, which is equal to 5 minus 25 plus 2, 5 times 25. So this is the expression that we have. So we know for sure that 5 minus 25 is negative 20 plus 5 times 25 is basically 125, and 125 multiplied by 2 is basically 250. So from here you can subtract and you will get the value to be 230. So this is how basically you can evaluate binary operations. Your host, Golden Zulu.